The one movie that redefined wanderlust for millennials was Ye Jawaani Hai Deewani. And today we're going to break down Deepika Padukone's looks from Ye Jawaani Hai Deewani, but from the wedding scenes. The first entry scene, Deepika is seen wearing a stunning blue sari that truly went on to become iconic. It was a plain blue sari that was worn with a black bikini blouse. Deepika wore the sari wrapped up instead of leaving the palla loose in a true Bollywood style to make it a little bit more convenient and also practical for dancing. Another look of Deepika's that was really cool was the one that she wore in the Mehndi scene, where she was seen wearing a hot pink color bralette that she color blocked with a mustard yellow lehenga skirt and finished the look with an orange dupatta. All three colors tied so well together against the backdrop of Udaipur. It was bright, it was vibrant, and it was a great idea to wear a strapless blouse for the Mehndi scene because you don't want to stain your clothes with the Mehndi. When Deepika was out and about in Udaipur, she was also seen wearing a powder blue colored chicken kurta which had a scoop neckline and was styled with a tie and dye salwar and a dupatta that was left loose in true Bollywood style. Now, usually there's a misconception when you're going for a wedding, your makeup has to be loud and OTT. But Deepika, on the other hand, was wearing very simple and dewy makeup throughout, which I suggest you should do too and let your clothes do the talking. So let me show you guys how we've recreated Deepika's look on our model today. So on Anjali over here, I've given a nice sequins blouse which is similar to the one that Deepika was wearing. Something like this is the classic and will last you 10, 15, 20 years and can be worn with several styles of saris, not just this one. Now we've kept the blue color intact, but instead of going for a sari that has a sequins border, we've picked one which has ruffles on the hem, and I think it just adds so much more flamboyance to the look. When you're dancing the night away on Sangeet night, the ruffles are going to move with you, and that for you, my friends, is Deepika's look from Ye Jawaani Hai Deewani song Badtameez Dil. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I will see you guys next time. Bye.